Hello children, today I'll make you to learn missing numbers. So missing numbers means nothing but anything children. Just you have to write the next numbers. Okay. So next numbers or before numbers it will be depend on the blanks. Okay. So you have to check the position of the blank. So here I am giving you 50 dash 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 54 dash dash. So now what you have to do, you have to fill these blanks. You have to write the missing numbers. Okay, here what is the first number? This is 50. So 50 after what will come? So just you check the position of the blank. Where is the blank? Is it after the number or before the number? Yes, it is after the number. So you have to write the next number. So 51. Again check the next blank. So it is also next to the number. So 52, 53 and 54 already they have given. So 55 and 56. Okay children. Now in our maths textbook, page number 13, we have Naughty Burru exercise. So what happened here in this exercise? Burru has torn some pages of this book. Here Burru is a pet animal. Okay. Here Burru is a pet animal. What did he do? He has torn some pages of this book. Write the page numbers in the correct order. So just you have to check the number. What is this number? 48. See children. So this number, this blank is before the number. So what you have to write here? Before number. Okay, you have to write the before number of 48. Now what are the remaining blanks? See here they have given just after the number. So you have to write the next numbers. Okay children. So you have to complete this activity today. And next I'll make you to learn descending order. Descending order means arranging the numbers from biggest to smallest. Okay. For suppose here 9, 8, 7, 6. So you can see descending order means decreasing order. Decreasing order in the sense arranging the numbers from biggest to smallest. Okay, see here 8 is smaller than 9. 7 is smaller than 8. 6 is smaller than 7. So here 9 is the greatest number and 6 is the smallest number. Okay children. Here I am giving you some numbers. 48, 84, 63 and 91. So here, in previously we have learnt about ascending order. How we have to compare the numbers by underline the first number, tens place value. So now check the tens place. 4, 8, 6 and 9. So which is the greatest number here children? 4, 8, 6, 9. Yes, here 9 is the greatest number. So just strike out that number and write first. And now compare the remaining numbers. Which is greatest? 4, 8, 6. Yes, 84, 84 is the next number. Now we have still two numbers. Which is greater number? 48 or 63? See, when the tens place value is big number, the entire number will be the greatest number. Okay, now here 6 is the greater number. Now the whole number, the entire number 63 will be the greater number. Now we have only one number left. So you can write directly. Okay children. So how did we write ascending order? Like that only you have to arrange numbers from biggest to smallest. That is called descending order. Okay, now based on this concept, we have an exercise in our maths textbook. That is puzzling tale. See here, Chikku rat has a long tail. Have you ever seen rats children? They will be roaming in our houses sometimes. So they have a long tail. So here also in our activity, Chipku rat has a long tail. When he was sleeping, naughty cat thought of tying his tail to the poles. See here, these all are the poles. Okay, children. So here, when he was sleeping, when the rat was sleeping, naughty cat thought of tying his tail to the poles. See, have you seen Tom and Jerry, children? How do they fight in that show? Like that, just imagine this is Tom and the rat is Jerry. So here also these two are fighting like that only. When the rat was sleeping, the cat is tying his tail to poles. She started from the pole with the biggest number. She moved on to the smaller numbers in order. Help her in tying, but the tail should not cross itself anywhere. Okay, so what are the numbers? Let me write the numbers. Here 27, 35, 37, 34, 36, 29, 28, 30 and 31. These are the numbers they have given on the poles. So what you have to do? Here you have to underline the numbers and check the greatest number. So did you observe, children, here 2 tens and 3 tens? So which is the greatest number? 3 tens are the greatest number. So now check all 30s. 31, 30, 35, 37, 34, 36. These all are having same number of tens. So next go to the ones place value. 1, 0, 5, 7, 4, 6. So which is the greatest number? 7 is the greatest number. Okay. So 37. 37 after 36. Next 35, 34, 31, 30, 29, 28 and 27. So here you have to count backward numbers. Backward numbers means counting in a reverse manner. Okay, children, like that you arrange these numbers in descending order. So like that you have to arrange these numbers in descending order. Okay, children, and draw the tail towards these numbers. So you have to follow the decreasing order when we are drawing these lines. Okay, children. So here they have given one instruction, but the tail should not cross itself anywhere. So that means you should not draw, the tail should not cross on it. Okay, should not cross itself. ekkada kuda line మీద line cross avakunda chusukovali. Okay, that is the instruction they have given. Now complete this assignment as a home task. Okay, children, thank you.